In this video, I'll show you how you can fix FPS drops while gaming on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First step is you want to come here and search for game mode settings. Make sure you have game mode on and make sure game bar is turned off. Then search for device manager, go to display adapters, right click, update driver, and make sure you have the latest update of your GPU. Then you want to Google the name of your GPU, so don't Google my name but the name of yours, and type in software or driver after, and make sure you install the driver. In my case, it's the NVIDIA one. So once you've downloaded this, you want to go to drivers, check here, and make sure you have the latest driver, so press download. Once you've done this, what you want to do after is come here and search for power, edit power plan, go back to power options, and make sure you're in high performance. If you can't find it, it might be hidden down here, so just try and press this. After this, you should right click your desktop, display settings, graphic settings, and in here you want to activate hardware accelerated GPU. Turn this on, and also we want to add the game that we're having trouble with down here. The best way to do this is simply search for the game. In my case, let's just search for League of Legends. Right click, open file location, and then right click and open file location again. And 90% of the time you'll already be in the correct folder now, but since this is Riot Games, you want to just go to League of Legends here, game, and then you can come here, Control C, browse, come up here, Control V, press enter, select the game, add, and then in here you want to press options and choose high performance. So basically you want to just add the game in here, and you just want to find the .exe launcher. As you can see, I have two League of Legends in here. It's because I added this one as well as this one. So if there's more launchers, just add them both. Or if there's three, you can do that as well. Once you've added in here and chose high performance, just close this down. Then restart your PC, and now it should be hopefully much better. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.